గుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్. మళ్ళీ ఏంటండి? మళ్ళీ ఏంటి? Good afternoon. Today we are going to learn why programming. Now, how we can do programming. Basically, there are two categories of people. Two categories of people. One who develop program. One who develops programs. The second one is one who uses a program. Okay. Fortunately or unfortunately, both the categories require either high-end or low-end skills of programming. High-end or low-end skills of programming. So one cannot use program if one is not aware of basics of programming. Okay, and fortunately learning simple programming concepts is very easy. For example, you take the language English. English consists of what? Words and numbers. To express something, to communicate something, what you need is you need words and you need numbers. Okay. Even programming languages also need the same. They also need words and numbers, but we need different kinds of words, like for, while, if, read, input, file, open, close kind of words. Okay, these are slightly different from what we use in English. Numbers, this is a number and this is also a number. Okay, the first kind of number is called integer, second kind of number is called float. Okay, now for some questions we simply answer in one word. We call this as true or false. This is called Boolean in computer programming languages. If you understand data types, that is text, numbers, if you understand how to input them to computer, how to process them, and how to display them, if you know how to input them, how to process them, how to display them, then you know programming. Okay, I'll tell you one simple example. See, this is called infinite. Okay, so can you express this number In real life, you cannot. But you can express this in computer programming languages. Okay? Now, I want to find out 99 to the power of 99. Okay? It takes a lot of time for a human to do it, but computer will do it in no time because it can do trillions of calculations per second. Okay? These are few examples of capabilities of computers. Okay, now look here. E to the power of minus x plus sin x plus x to the power of 4 minus 3x cube. Okay, I want to differentiate this. Normally to differentiate this takes some time, but for computer it is a microsecond effort. Okay, similarly you can integrate, similarly we can multiply. We can multiply, we can divide, we can do anything. Okay, the two expressions are multiplied. We can draw plots. Okay, we can process DNA that contains millions of trillions of records in microseconds. Okay, this is all possible through computers because of programs written by somebody else. Here I did not do program. What I did is I used a program written by somebody else. Okay, as I told you, you either is a programmer or user. User also needs some skill, some basic skill. Otherwise, you cannot use it. Okay. So in the current scenario, either you program or programmed. Either you take control in your hands or let others control you. Okay. Control or be controlled. Control or be controlled. Okay, so you are far ahead of others, okay, if you can make the system work the way you want it to work, and that is possible only through programming. Okay, so come learn programming with us. Okay.